Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I will show you how to clear Instagram search history. So it's really easy, and for that we have to go to our Instagram app. Right here, as you can see, I am on my profile. Then if I click to the search icon next to home, and then if I click again to search, I can see here the recent accounts that I've searched. So you can click on this X right next to the person to delete it, or you can go to see all, and right here you will see your recent searches. So you can click right next to that on clear all, and this way you'll clear everything. Click again on clear all, and that's it. Like I said, it was really easy. I hope you liked this video. I hope you will give it a go. If you did, you can smash that like button, and you can also subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.